Okay, so we literally just did like 3 minutes ranting at the universe because of phone calls. This is the happy video now. First off, cool gun. What is this? This is the 90s NBC bag. It's made to go on an Alice pack or an Alice belt, and it has hookups for the suspenders. You can use this in place of a butt pack. Why is this cool? Well, it holds a lot of shit. Most butt packs don't. It has a closure on it like a dry bag. Like a dry bag. And you can just stuff this thing full of stuff. But meanwhile, like when you carry it empty, like it doesn't hardly weigh anything. So like either for you carrying your own equipment in field, you need something like this, or on a raid, I would carry this thing empty. You can quickly shove a bunch of shit in here and roll it up and clip it and go. Okay, and like in reality on a raid, you might want a bigger backpack, but like it's an idea. For my own purposes, I'm setting up a set of like Desert Storm shit because I just want it, and I've got most of it already, and I saw this cheap and I wanted a butt pack for that, and I think I could use this for some other shit too. So the size of this thing is about right. It's like a 15-liter dry bag or so, maybe even 20-liter dry bag. I've got clothes in there right now. It has Velcro. Without clothes in it to pack it out, it doesn't look like anything. It just looks like a flat piece of fabric. It's a canvas bag. And it's made out of really nice Cordura. And because it was made in the 90s, it's just oozing with quality. 90s or 2000s. It's hard to tell. If I had to guess, this is an 80s, 90s made item. Probably during or just after Desert Storm. I think that's when a lot of this shit was fucking put into use and made. So seems like we spend a whole bunch of money on military and then have to go use it sometimes. It looks like that's what we're doing right now. Anyway, you can find these on Amazon for like $15 to $40. I found this one for 15 bucks. I went and looked again, and I found another one for 15 plus shipping, and then I found a bunch for like 30, 40 bucks. So if you want something like this, Woodland is really popular right now. Fucking airplanes. Sorry about that. Like, that just is what it is. Like, I'm not gonna stop and edit that shit out. I don't like that there's an airplane in my video, but I also don't edit. So I'm sorry about that. The cool thing to me about this is you can attach it to the outside of an Alice pack, and you could put like a coat in this. That's really what this is to me. This is a, hey, I can put a big jacket on the outside of my bag in a well-attached pocket that is very weatherproof. It'll be handy for that. Be handy for a bunch of other stuff. But as far as a cheap piece of equipment goes that is in a cool camo pattern, this is pretty much it. Like, everybody likes Woodland, and this isn't really a backpack, but you could probably make it one. You have to add some straps of some sort. Again, with the fucking airplanes. You know, I think we've had too many years of peace. I'm ready for war. I can't fucking wait. I really can't. Like, half of the fucking problem with the planet now is that there are too many fucking people on it. You know, no one wants to say that, but like, everyone thinks, oh, the carrying capacity of our planet hasn't even nearly been reached, right? I put it to you that there's a carrying capacity, like, theoretically, that you could cram into this place, and then there's like the point at which we all start killing each other. And I think we reached it like during COVID. Shit keeps getting stranger. Anyway, I like this better than a butt pack for sure. I don't know if I would buy this to be a bag. If you have a good way to attach this onto your system, then yeah. Like, but if you're not running a fucking Alice belt, that may be difficult. But so many people run gun belts now that you could 100% make this work onto the back of like a Molly gun belt and have a giant ass stuff sack that's in fucking camo. That's a military issue. That's cheap as fuck. So thank me later. These are on eBay still. You can find them. They're worth the 40 bucks. Honestly, this is really nicely made. Like, this is half of the thing that you don't know what you're getting when you order some things, military surplus. This is as nicely made as Special Forces equipment. Some regular just USGI stuff, there'll be like sew issues in, or like material quality issues in, or whatever. And this thing's pretty trim. I like it. A little bit of fluff up here. But for a $15 bag, I'll take it. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you guys think this bag is cool too. Tell me what you think. What would you use this for? Size-wise, you know, it is Flux Raider sized when rolled up. You need some of this top portion to roll up to be the lid, right? I'll see you guys later.